Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am going to be doing some, let me turn it on. Alright, I'm going to be doing some Minecraft and Roblox videos, mostly Minecraft because I don't really like Roblox anymore. And yeah, because I love food. Sorry, I got distracted. I love Minecraft. I have hiccups. And if you don't like Minecraft, we're gonna have to talk. So basically my channel is a Minecraft, a gaming channel basically. Except for Fortnite. People like to play that and I don't even know. I don't even know how to play. Sorry for the background noise. My sister's right there. And I don't even know how to play Fortnite. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Why? I don't even know why people like it. It's so stupid. So sometimes I'm going to be doing some live streams. Alright. Sometimes I'm going to be doing some live streams. Why do I keep missing that jump? I'm usually so good at it. Alright, I'm just going to play a solo Bed Wars. Because I don't want to keep you guys bored. I hate this one. No, I actually like it. Okay, so we're just going to have to wait. And someone just heard me out musically. And all my social medias will be down below. So I think this guy. So thank you guys for watching this video. Even though I'm not done, but I just want to thank you guys for spending your time watching this video. Oh, I'm pink. Just so you know, I hate pink. Boy. Okay. I only have 12 stars because my dad had to restart my computer because something was wrong with it. And I was at like 40 stars on my own computer. Well, it wasn't really good. Guys, no, that's cross teaming slash. Oh, no, my bed! I don't even know who's there. Well. Why did he come back? Oh, it was a sheep. Sorry, sheep. Oh! Who's this girl? Hi. 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 I think she has a YouTube link. Oh, there's MVP. Well, one more gold, please. Please. And then I can get some stone and oops, didn't mean to get ladders. I don't even know why I got ladders. I guess it can help. What can? Probably the most annoying weather things. Didn't know. Where are people gonna come? They're probably gonna come from this side. So let me cover up this on top. Okay, now let me put ladders all over the place. Because it actually is harder. I need to get more iron. Okay. Sorry, my sister is talking to me. I need to shower soon. You know, some people just buy wool, and that's me. I'm gonna go for her bed. Hopefully she doesn't see. What the heck? Build. You can see in the chat. Build. How did my bed get destroyed? White? I'm gonna kill you. How? How did it get destroyed? I was there for like my whole time. No. What is the white? Nothing. Fine. I need to watch out. Oh, you coming back for more? You coming back for more? I'm flying somehow. No, it's not my chest. What does that mean? Now I'm dead! It says build. No, that's not. That's not fair. Well, it's just been some hard times with Minecraft, so I'm just gonna go on Roblox. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, 9-minute video, because I'm only allowed to use 15 minutes of this film, and that's really sad, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!